In Maryland, job growth slowed considerably between March and April, with the latter months seeing an increase of fewer than 4,000 jobs. As the job growth continues to slow, the price of labor in June will keep increasing until it is at a level that will attract enough workers to fill the positions needed to run any given business. This is definitely projected to affect the new housing market between labor costs, higher supply costs, and timelines to finish the project. We may see new construction more expensive towards the end of the year. It's Friday, June 4th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland's real estate market. Maryland's weakest counties are seeing the strongest home sale. Counties benefiting the most from this recent interest are the outlying counties that are typically very cost effective. They have lots of outdoor attractions, privacy, large land tracts, and they're not more than a 3-hour drive from Baltimore, Washington, Annapolis, or Pittsburgh. Here's what's happened since my last week's report. 2,128 are newly active, 1,605 are coming soon. 794 homes went under contract, and this is down than previous weeks. 1,445 are temporarily off the market. 1,644 moved to pending, and 2,469 homes settled last week. That's up. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was this 43.58 acre waterfront island in Easton for $6,700,000. As a side note, some of the wealthiest people in the world are buying up large land tracts. Bill Gates is now the single largest farmland owner in America. Something to keep in mind as prices are increasing, land becomes more scarce, housing becomes more important, and the population continues its population growth. The rental market has 1,035 active at an average of $2,500 per month. That is up in price since last week's report. If you are thinking about buying or selling, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides on the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland real estate market for Friday, June 4th, 2021. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, be sure to catch our podcast on one of your favorite podcast services or through your Google or Alexa device. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.